There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna put the flash on. Let's see here. That always gets them to come outside, you know. We'll go into their parking lot again too. All right, get a shot here up front. Flash is on. Yeah. Start over here in this lot. Let's take pictures of the car. Here's a canine unit. Nice SUV there. All right. All right. Not a very good picture, even with the flash on. It's the first time I'm using these cameras at night. So I'm also kind of testing that out as well, you know. Not bad. So we get a count on the vehicles here, and I'm sure there's a couple 4 or 6 on the road or something. There's one. You got the stealth lights behind the grill there, and those 2. Oh, so that's fire department. This is fire department here. That looks probably like the town. Oh no, that's fire department too. Out of state Rhode Island plate. I heard that fucking Machiavellian governor down in Rhode Island is even worse than the fucking asshole here. Fire department. Here's old Willard Lumber Company. They've been around for a long time. Yep, so there's the fire department car. Your standard Ford. Got the lights in the grill there. These vehicles are awful beat up. They look pretty old. Some damage on the fender there. All scratched up on the bumpers. All of them are pretty beat up. It's a personal vehicle there. Nice truck here. Yeah, these guys don't want to fuck with me. I wonder if the state police tipped them off. I wonder. Nice 350 power stroke. Woo-wee! Alright. Hey, Unit 18 here. Unit 18. Very friendly employee. Let's just go in and check out the police department. Are they open? See if they got some pamphlets we can use here. Hey, look, they do have hand sanitizer. That is nice. Got some signs on the door. Coronavirus memo. Let's take a look at this. It says, "Oh, you folks can read it. I'm not going to read it for you. Fine, I'll read it. The safety and well-being of our staff and the public is our priority. We are actively monitoring the COVID-19 coronavirus situation and taking steps to keep our communities safe. As our employees interact with the public, we are taking steps to limit exposure to the virus. Effectively, immediately." How are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, good.
Being helped?
Yeah, I'm all set, thank you. Just taking a look at your signage here. Are you guys closed?
We are closed to the public.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. Do you mind if I just come in and take a look around? I'm just covering a news story. Thank you. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Can I have your name and badge number? Edwards?
Yeah, 326.
Thank you for your service, Mr. Edwards. Thank you. All right. It's small, kind of small lobby here, but it's pretty nice. It's air conditioning here. Grew up with this gentleman here. We used to spar in wrestling. That is Officer Joshua Clark. I'm not sure who he's standing next to. Sharp young lad there. Mr. Clark. All right, so we got some forms here. What do we got? We've got,
Sir, can you please step out?
I'm sorry?
Can you step out, please? You're not supposed to be here due to the COVID-19 virus.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just talked to another officer that told me I could be in here. Yeah, do you mind?
I'm the officer in charge, Sergeant
Right.
Silva. Can you please step
Sergeant
out?
Silva?
We need to maintain the
Can I have your badge number, Mr. Silva?
213, sir.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Do you guys have business hours where I could return? Business hours? Like, is there a time when I could come back and be in the lobby? Like,
The lobby is permanently closed until the virus go away at this time.
is that a statute?
It's over here, sir. Yeah, the governor.
Yeah, the governor. What order is that particularly? Do you know which order it is?
You're gonna have to inquire with them, sir.
Right. I am familiar with the orders, which is why I'm asking.
If it's an emergency, you can use that phone over there.
Sure, okay. So that guy's an asshole. We're gonna hang out here for a little while now, folks. I might be out a lot later than I anticipated. Sergeant Silva. I didn't even get to finish reading my goddamn sign. So what do you folks think? Should I file a complaint? Do I got to do that over the phone since I can't come down in person? Isn't it funny because the police department, Troop H, down in Hartford needs me there in person to file a report. But I guess if you have something to handle here, you can't do it in person, or I go back in and use the phone. Anyway, let's check out our public servant vehicles here today. We've been here once before, but we were here quietly, and now we're going to make a bunch of noise because that's not against the law. So here we go. Let's check out the SRO. Anybody know what the fuck SRO stands for? Okay, get some radio action in there. Here's this fucking traffic patrol car. Nice, good looking vehicle there. Nice looking radio. Got an officer over here. There's another nice looking K9 unit there.
How you doing?
Good, good. How are you, sir? Thank you. Yeah, oh yeah. A little wet out here this evening.
Tomorrow, man. If it's hot this late at night.
Better hot than snowing, you know. I'll take the summer any.
I just put down grass,
Oh yeah.
brush in my yard.
Oh, I
If
bet.
the dog's pissing and the heat, it's over for my yard. It's a wrap. Summer, man.
Hey, thank you for your service, man.
No problem, buddy.
All right. All right, so we got vehicle number 12 here.